clase, eres señora Group. Hoy es jueves el 5 de mayo. Aquí es donde nos dirigimos hoy. So today I'm not there with you, although I might pop in just to say hi, hola. But we'll see. I am teaching teachers today, and so hopefully I'll have a chance to pop in and see you because I miss you. So today you will be working with guest teacher, and you have quite a bit to do, so make sure you use your time wisely. After watching this video, you're going to scroll down and you are going to complete this ed puzzle below. It's called Sabo, and Sabo is the person's name in the video. There is some spoken Spanish in the video, but you'll be okay. Just listen and pay attention what's going on in the video pictures or images, and you'll be able to answer the questions fine. This ed puzzle focuses on the days of the week, a little bit on numbers, and a little bit on colors. So things that you know. You can use your notes if you need help. That is absolutely fine. Remember, do utilize that rewatch button. If you come to the question, you're like, wait a minute, I don't know what the correct answer should be. Rewatch, and then that way you'll be sure to get the correct answer. So once you finish the ed puzzle, then you are going to complete a Bloket homework assignment. And we did Bloket yesterday in class. We practiced that, and it looked like you were having a lot of fun. I know sixth period was really into it. Make sure you keep the noise level down so that people can focus and work. Again, you may use your notes on this assignment. So this Bloket is going to focus on the days of the week and the months of the year in Spanish. It's the exact same one from yesterday. It's just I had to change the date on it, so it will have the same questions. To receive credit for this Bloket assignment, you need to show progress. And remember, that means you're answering questions and you're moving through that level map. Do you need to get all the way to the boss? No, the final boss, no. But I'm going to tell you about something that you will receive if you do get to the final boss. So make sure you're showing progress. To show progress, that means you need to be actively engaged in the game. That means answering questions, doing the battles, continuing to answer questions. There's not a set amount of time that you need to be on the game, but if you're not in for, I'd say, at least 10 or 15 minutes, it's not going to show that you're making progress. If your card, you are defeated by the opponents and you die, then obviously that's not your fault. You would have had to have been making progress in order to get to that point. So don't worry about that. You can go in and try again if you still have time remaining and you'd like to. The more practice, the better. So like I said, if your character is defeated, that is all right. You do not need to play, like I said, to the final boss. But if you do, I will give you 10 points extra credit as long as your ed puzzle assignment was completed as well. Because Bloket is super fun. I think Tower of Doom is super fun, and it's hard to stop playing. When I was playing today, I was having a hard time, or yesterday, I guess, I was having a hard time wanting to get up and answer your questions because I wanted to keep winning battles. But if you get to the final boss and did not complete your ed puzzle assignment, I'm not going to give you the bono, the extra credit. So some of you could really use that 10 points extra credit. So if you want to play out the way to the end, fantastic. If you don't make it to the final boss, but you have progressed through quite a few levels, then that's okay too. So here is the link to the days and months Bloket assignment. You'll just click on that. And remember, when you click on that, we practiced this today in class, but if you were absent, this is what it's going to look like. When you enter your nickname, you're going to want to put your actual name. If you have a duplicate name with someone in the class, make sure you put your last initial as well. Then you're going to click the arrow to get in. The home screen looks like this. You're going to click new game. Now, I have done lots of different games, so I'm going to replace my game. You should have a open spots, and so you can go there. Remember, you do not want to do the tutorial because it glitches and kicks you out. If you do get kicked out, just go back to the assignment, go back to the link, and go back in. But remember, you're going to have to add a number to the end of your name. So, like for me, if it kicked me out, I would put Mrs. Groob 1 so that I could get back in the game. So this says starting a new game. We'll delete this save. Okay, continue. I'm okay with that. Oh, okay. Oh, I don't know what all is happening right here. So I just really want to get into the game, but I was in 31st place. That makes me kind of sad. Okay, I want to continue. I do not want the quick tutorial. And then I start answering questions. And then remember, you're going to choose a card. I look for uncommons and rares. That's just me personally. And then you'll just keep going. If they're all common, I look at what the highest different items are. This one has a lot of wisdom. And so you just keep playing. Eventually, you'll get to a battle. And when you get to the battle, let me answer this question real quick. When you get to the battle, you'll choose one of these different attacks or options that you want to use in the battle, and then hopefully win that battle. If you lose the battle, you lose your XP, but if you win the battle, your opponent takes damage and loses their XP. So have fun playing Bloket. It's a pretty exciting game. So once you have finished all of those things, also make sure that you have completed your PAR and PACE-R for this week, which is 5.2 to 5.6. That's due Friday by 11:59. And then you may go to class content, Duolingo, or the Quizlet module, or work on any other work you may have, read quietly. And remember, if you want to extend that work time on the Bloket to try to get to the final boss, that can earn you 10 points extra credit. I will be back on Friday. And make sure you know that these 2 assignments are going to count as 2 separate assignments. So make sure you get them both completed. I will see you on Friday. Adios.